Welcome back, everyone. This is the 3-month update of our 22-way ceramic trim coatings longevity test. As usual, we will foam it down, rinse it, foam it down again, wash it, rinse it, and dry it, and then we'll inspect everything, see how it's all holding up. This sits outside of our shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the East Texas elements. As we get into the warmer months here, expect to see a lot more failures. Any of the products you see here can be purchased in the links in the description below. It does help the channel out, and other ways to help the channel out are through patreon.com/ScottHD and other ways you see here on your screen. All right, let's see how things are holding up. Adams VRT, that was weak at the 60-day mark. I think we're going to go ahead and call that failed. Synergy and Back to Black Ceramic King looking all right. CarPro Deluxe also okay. CarProtect Regen doing okay. Poor Boy is looking very good. And Black Wow, it had failed about the 30-day mark. 22 PLE looking all right. Black Wow Pro, that failed at the 60-day mark. Adams Trim Coating a little light. Cerakote looking okay. Yeah, you can see Black Wow. It's Black Wow and Black Wow Pro pretty consistent with our other test too, where it failed pretty early on. Lone Star Trim Coating pre-production looking all right. TLC okay. Chemical Guys failed at the first wash. The TVD 108 at the 60-day mark. Lithium Trim Serum at the 60-day mark. IGL Trim doing all right. Hydrosilex at the first wash. Solution Finish looking all right, and Solution Finish with over the top sealant okay. G-Technic T1 was weak at the 30-day mark. We are now going to call that failed. And G-Technic C4, I believe I kind of glanced over it there. It's looking okay as well. So there's just a quick update for you guys this month. A few changes. We have had a decent amount of rain, and we have a lot of rain on the way this week. About 6 inches or 15 centimeters of rain on the way. And the temperatures, they're starting to get up there. We're getting into the summer months, so make sure you're subscribed, like the video, comment down below. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.